Good evening, Professor. I'm here to present my advanced hypothesis testing assignment, which is coming in 3 videos. So let's just get started on this first part. So to introduce the assignment, I'm doing a statistical analysis on climate change. So I found these climate change indicators for different countries across the world. There's like 207 countries, I believe. Anyway, so it's just kind of to help us understand the impact of climate change over a period of time. The years run from 1961 to 2022. And I look at this as a whole, and then there are times when I do this in chunks of like the first half and the last half, and then 20-year periods. So, this first task, I conducted a paired analysis comparing the average temperatures between 1961 and 1980 and 2003 and 2022. So these two 20-year periods, the one from the beginning of the data set and then one from the end of the data set. As you can see that here, I actually completely forgot to get rid of the outliers until I was on test 3. So I came back up here and created this function so that I could just run all the rest of the data through it. So anyway, that's why it ends up looking like this. It's kind of chunked, but so I ran this test and I got some wild results, which was a t-statistics of negative 65 and a p-value of, gosh, I don't even know how small that is. Really, really small. So it's a highly significant increase in global temperatures, which really just kind of drives home that climate change is a reality in our world, right? We know that climates are changing. So this is my report on this, the problem statement, the overview. My research question was, is there a statistically significant difference in the global average temperature between 1961, 1980 and 2003 and 2002? Obviously, yes, very much so. And then here's where I discuss assumptions and remedies and consequences of violating those assumptions. And just to conclude, I guess here's my visual. So I chose 3 countries for this instead of trying to do all 200 countries or whatever. So I did the United States, South Africa, and Colombia. Just tried to pick 3 different areas from around the world and 3 different types of countries. So this is what we ended up with. Kind of wild, in my opinion. If you do a little bit more research, you can kind of figure out that the United States is one of the more industrialized countries. Like we have more CO2 emissions and stuff. And so that's why it looks, I believe, a little bit more significant. I did not do extensive research in the area, but further research could be a lot of fun for that particular thought. So that's task 1, and I'll be back with task 2.